Number 20, the counter shows the number of times a website has been visited. What is the value of the digit 4 in this number? Number 21, Greg sorted his collection of baseball cards. Greg will give 1/5 of his collection to his brother. Greg will sell 4/10 of his collection to a card shop. Which statement is true? A, Greg will have exactly half of his collection left. B, Greg will sell more than half his collection to a card shop. C, Greg will have less than half his collection left. D, Greg will give more than half his collection to his brother. Number 22. The frequency table shows the number of times some people visited a movie theater last year. Which set of data could the frequency table represent? 23. This model can be shaded to represent the fraction 7/4. Which number sentence represents two different ways that 7/4 can be represented with shaded fractions on the model? 24. Sandy purchased two patio chairs that cost $57.65 each and a table that cost $146.22. What is the total cost of these items? 25. Which angle has a measure closest to 95 degrees? 26. A teacher puts 378 marbles into 9 containers. He put the same number of marbles into each container. How many marbles did the teacher put into each container? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. 27. Kate's pen is 13 7/10 centimeters long. Which mixed number is equivalent to 13 7/10? 28. A business earned $96 for one job and $78 for a second job. The money was divided equally among 3 partners who own the business. Which strip diagram represents M, the amount of money each partner received? 29. An office had 3 baskets of letters ready to be mailed. The first basket was 2/10 full, the second basket was 3/6 full, and the third basket was 1/5 full. Which comparison is true? 30. The model represents Norma's rectangular backyard garden. Norman will plant carrots in the rectangular section of the garden labeled carrots in the model. What is the area in square feet of the section where Norman will plant carrots? 31. The stem and leaf plot shows the number of tickets Stephen won when he played games at a carnival. What is the total number of tickets that Stephen won at the carnival? Oscar draws 2 lines on his paper. The lines are always 1 inch apart and do not intersect. Which term can be used to name what Oscar drew? F, perpendicular lines. G, parallel lines. H, intersecting lines. J, line segments. 33. The table shows a relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. Which number machine shows the same relationship as the one in the table? 34. Melanie had 2 $10 bills, 1 $5 bill, 4 dimes, and 6 pennies. Then she bought a fruit cup for $2.19. How much money did Melanie have after she bought the fruit cup? Be sure you recorded all your answers on the answer document.